how to watch movies on Discord mobile with friends. Hi guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you watch movies on Discord mobile with your friends. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open Discord application with your account. Alright, so after you open the Discord with your account, you'll got such interface. So now from here, to watch movies on Discord mobile with your friends, you'll have to share your screen on the Discord call. So as you can also go with your channel to share movies on your channel. So right now I'm choosing a specific call with a person on Discord. So simply you can also go with your channel call. So simply you have to make a call from here. Okay, so simply tap on join. Alright, so now from this Discord call, to set the screen, you'll have to just swipe up from the bottom of the screen. So simply you have to swipe up. Okay, so simply from here tap on share your screen. Okay, tap on try it out. Alright, so simply tap on the start now option, and now from there, after tapping on that, you will be able to share your screen on Discord call. So from here you can easily watch movies on Discord mobile call with your friends by sharing your screen on the call. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.